Hello, little bees. Today's story is Apple Pie, 4th of July. Written by author Janet S. Wong. Are you ready? Let's read. 7 days a week, 52 weeks, 364 days a year, and 365 in a leap year. Our store is open. Christmas is the only day we close. Even on Thanksgiving, we open the store. Even on New Year's Day. Even today, the 4th of July. I hear the parade coming this way. Boom, boom, boom. I smell apple pie in Laura's oven upstairs and chow mein in our kitchen? Chow mein? Chinese food on the 4th of July? No one wants Chinese food on the 4th of July, I say. Fireworks are Chinese, Father says, and hands me a pan full of sweet and sour pork. I hear the parade. Boom, boom, boom. I hear the parade passing by. Noon, and customers come for soda and potato chips. 1 o'clock, and they buy ice cream. 2 o'clock, the egg rolls are getting hard. 3 o'clock, ice and matches. 4 o'clock, and the noodles feel like shoelaces. No one wants Chinese food on the 4th of July, I say. Mother piles noodles on my plate. My parents do not understand all American things. They were not born here. Even though my father has lived here since he was 12, even though my mother loves apple pie, I cannot expect them to know that Americans do not eat Chinese food on the 4th of July. So I straighten the milk and videos and sample a few new candy bars until 5 o'clock, when 2 hungry customers walk inside for some Chinese food to go. I tell them no one came, so we ate it up ourselves. But they smell the food in the kitchen now. And Mother walks through the swinging door holding a tray of chicken chow mein. And Father follows her step for step with a brand new pan of sweet and sour pork. And 3 more people get in line. 11 more at 6 o'clock. 9 at 7. 12 by 8. More and more and more and more. Until it's time to close the store. Time to climb to our rooftop chairs, way up high, beyond the crowd. Where we sit and watch the fireworks show. And eat our apple pie. Did you love this video? Why not visit littlebeelibrary.com for even more fun? You'll find lots of free goodies like printable coloring pages featuring Little Bee and his friends. You can also visit the Little Bee Library store to shop our educational activity workbooks filled with activities that make learning fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook.